Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor has sent me a product, RV windows. And this is a free product, and this is a paid review. And let's get straight to this RV window and check it out, shall we? These are high quality tempered windows. I personally have installed an RV window. The one right behind me I've installed. They are not difficult. It's not difficult to install an RV window. It's really just a matter of, and I'll show you, this part right here goes on the inside. So this is what is on the inside of your RV, and there are screw holes. You look, there's screw holes right here, and these are all on the inside of your RV. And you simply just remove the screws. I'm assuming you're replacing it because you have a broken window. You remove all these screws, and then on this inside rim that's inside, there's going to be some sticky material. So you want to push gently on the window part, because this window fits right in there like that. So you'll push gently on this window so that the sticky stuff lets go. You'll just push, you push it a little bit at a time, push it out until the window pops out. Have somebody or a pillow or something, so when it falls out, have somebody out there to catch it, or have something soft, or have a tarp out there so when it drops, it breaks, it doesn't break. And then you simply do the reverse. You put this is your outside window, you put that in the hole, you match it up with the inside here, and you put your screws in. And voila, you have a window. And I love the way this window is very nicely tinted. And it really feels like a good sound window. Comes with the screws to mount it with. So if you're in the market for a good, strong replacement window, go get one of these. And they come in all shapes, sizes, and measurements.